What happened to dodo birds? The dodo bird is one of the most famous examples of human-induced extinction. A large, flightless bird once native to the island of Mauritius in the Indian Ocean. The dodo was bigger than a turkey and weighed about 23 kilograms. It had blue-gray feathers, a large head and beak, and small, useless wings. Although the birds were terrestrial, their bone structure was hollow like that of birds that fly. Dodos likely nested on the ground, and it is thought that they laid a single egg. Unfortunately, the species was wiped out less than 200 years after its discovery. The birds were discovered by Portuguese sailors around 1507. The birds had no natural predators, so they were unafraid of humans. These sailors, and others to come, quickly decimated the dodo population as an easy source of fresh meat for their voyages. As humans settled on the island, loss of habitat further threatened the birds. Humans also brought animals, such as pigs and monkeys, which ate the vulnerable eggs and competed with the dodos for food. Overharvesting of the birds, combined with habitat loss, and a losing competition with the newly introduced animals, was too much for the dodos to survive. The last dodo was killed in 1681, and the species was lost forever to extinction.